homies? New year, new...
Bro, really?
It's the intro, bro.
Bro, not the dumb.
It's a joke.
Second track, come on.
So, alright, except for the beginning.
Yeah, got you.
What's up, homies? I know it's been a year since I uploaded, but...
Oh, hell no. Bro, come on. Bro.
I gotta do something funny, something catchy. You know what I'm
This
saying?
ain't no family sitcom.
Okay, fine. One more time. Last? Alright. Alright, we got it. Let's go. What's up, homies? Back in the garage. I've been stuck here for a year, and... You know, just go to the damn video, bro. What's up, homies? Welcome back to another video, and as always, give a like, comment, subscribe, share it to your family and friends before watching more of this video. Now I gotta talk real quick because there is a problem that happened while wrapping my car, and that's that I ran out of wrap. Now I do have enough wrap for both sides of the doors to make a design. Thing is, I really do not like half and half wrapped cars. Now I'm not knocking nobody's build down. Thing is, it's just not my type of style. Thing is, you know, I'm not gonna spend the extra money or more money just to get all the car wrapped. I might as well save it to paint the bumper in the future. That will look all dope once I go all black again. Again, guys, I'm not keeping this wrap for that long. I even fully wrapped, I wasn't gonna keep it for that long. You know me, I just change things like rapidly. I go through the different phases, so I'm not gonna keep the wrap for that long. So there was no point of even, you know, buying more wrap. So I was like, that's whatever. So either way, I'm still gonna wrap the car. As you see in the video, I learned new tricks when I'm wrapping the bumper, so I hope you guys like it. As always, again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching, homies. I hope you liked the video. Alright, homies, so everything you see white will be black. So from the mock blue and brindley that most people have, this already has indentation. Most Cobras do. I think all of them actually have it. Will be black. The bottom middle part, most people actually paint it or plastic it black. It's something that most people do with 9901 Cobra bumpers. Inside the fog lights will be black. And then over here, like I said, I took a big chunk from this side just because the wrap was not working with me. So what I was thinking of doing is plastic dipping this whole section black, also for this side, and hopefully it looks pretty cool. Just kind of like a shadow look for the headlight. I know I've seen some before, but I just couldn't find any examples, so hopefully it turns out really nice with the Mustang. And then in the future, I'm going to take off these fog lights and hopefully paint these black. That way it can just have that original look to them. So let's get to plastic dipping. I have this Rust-Oleum vinyl wrap. It's a gloss black, so hopefully it looks pretty cool. So let's get to it. Let's get prepping it. And then also, guys, I've never done this before, so hopefully it comes out pretty dope. And yeah, let's get to it. So as the can says, you gotta shake vigorously for a minute and then allow the coats to dry up. 5 minutes between the 4 coats. As you can see, I did a little sloppy style of just covering this up. That way I don't get it on the gray wrap. So hopefully it comes out pretty dope. As I said, guys, this is the first time me doing any of this stuff, from wrapping to plastic dipping. So let's get to it and hopefully it comes out pretty dope. I don't know, but for some reason this thing is like running off. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Well, it's kind of wet. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Well, I mean, paint is kind of wet, obviously, but being that it's a vinyl wrap, this is kind of weird. I've never worked with something like this before, but I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes, come back with another coat, and let's see what happens. If it doesn't look good, then I'm just gonna have to figure it out. But I mean, right now, I mean, it's looking pretty weird. So I'll get back to you for that second coat. All right, there goes the second coat. Then there's 2 more, and we're done with this. Alright homies, as you can see I messed up around this area, and that was just because I wasn't taping as good as I thought. I'm going to wait till it dries because it comes off easier when it's dry. But honestly, I like how it came out. I can't wait to do the other parts. From here on out, it's going to be a montage like most of the video. And yeah, when I'm done, all this right here should be black, and you'll be seeing me do it. So let's get to it. Alright, this side is done. Honestly, this area doesn't look that cool. So in the future, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this and then plastic dip this. So honestly, the experiment went wrong. Hold on, let me fix up my beanie here. Got my Chicago Bulls beanie. Your boy's a big Bulls fan. But shout out to the Mavericks. I go for both teams. I'm here for both. Alright, let's see it. Let's see how it looks. It looks sloppy on the lap. Ooh, damn, okay. That looks pretty good. Oh, okay. Oh, it's looking pretty nice over here. Dang, okay. Alright, that corner, we're definitely gonna have to fix that. Oh wow, let me see how it looks like on camera. Dang, I did a really good job. Okay, let's see right here. I feel like this is gonna be a bad part. Okay. How's it looking like? How's it looking like? Okay, we're looking pretty cool. Okay, so this time what I did differently as well, I was further away, not too close. I think that was what was causing most of the problems when it came to the wet plastic dip. I think I was just too close. And that's why I messed up. But just keep on peeling here. Okay, this right here, we got a little bit right here. Not too bad. Okay. And, a little piece right there. Okay. With the razor, they can come off, so that's worried. How does that look? Okay, not too bad. Gotta work on this corner right here. I'm probably gonna tape it up and just fix that. But overall, I actually like how it looks. Now, obviously this part is a bit sloppy just because of this wrap. Like, this was really pissing me off, bro. Like, it will not work with me. So I'm probably just gonna cut a little piece, or maybe just a whole wrap right here, and just plastic dip it, and it's gonna look pretty cool. Only reason I did is because I really wanted to see how it looked like, and that way, if I didn't like it, I could just peel off the wrap. You know what I'm saying? So your boy was thinking pretty well right there. But I like how it looks. Honestly, I really do. So, yeah. I mean, if I like it, I'm gonna do the other side, and once I do both sides, then I start to do the bottom. So let's get to it, homies. Dry yet, so I gotta wait. Ow. Dang, that looks good. Oh yeah, I did it justice right there. Oh yeah, what do y'all think about that part? Now I gotta do the fog lights, and we should be done here, and then put the bumper on the car and see how it looks like, homies. But dang, it looks really nice. Now, this section right here, and this right here, I did really good because obviously with practice of doing this side and this side, it just came out way better. As you can see, as I showed you guys, there's some mistakes which I will clean up, but honestly, just from far away, it looks really nice, and I'm really liking it. So I can't wait to put it on the car. But what do y'all think? Dang, it looks really nice. I can't wait to do the fog lights so I can put it on the car already. But it's a bit cold, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and get to it. so I'm completely done with this bumper, and honestly, I like the way it looks. Being a first-time rapper, that was my first time using plastic dip, I'm very happy with how it came out. Now, I messed up in 2 areas, and that's the front of the bumper right here, where I use Bondo, and it'll be an easy fix. All I have to do is just cut up this part, sand it down, and then put another layer of wrap, and you won't be able to see it. As far as for this side, the plastic dip got under the wrap and was lifting it up, and I just had to use these different type of methods so that way I can learn what to do for the future. So, we're done with that. I'm not going to focus too much, but I'll fix it later in the future, so don't worry about that, guys. Honestly though, overall, like I said, I really like how the bumper came out. This side came out really nice, and yeah guys, I'm done with the bumper. Now, I didn't plan on putting on the bumper now, but since you've watched this video, I might as well give y'all a tease of how it's going to look with it on. Before I do that though, I do want to talk about the fenders on both sides of the cars. I think I did really good when it came to tucking, laying it down, and also under the hood. You can see that I did a really good job when it came to lay down the bumper under the fender and under the hood. So now that I'm done with that, let's see how this bumper looks on the car. My bad guys, before I put the bumper on, let me fix this little area here and put a little bit of plastic up, that way y'all won't see it when I put it on. So let me go ahead and get that camera full. Alright guys, so we finished wrapping the front end, bumper, and both fenders, and I think I did a really good job when it came to tucking, laying it down. As you saw in the video, it shows the examples of how I was able to do it. I think I did a really good job for a beginner. And also when it comes to plastic dipping, I think I did a good job as well. There are some mistakes I have to fix in the future, but right now I can't focus too much on that just because I only have enough wrap to finish these 2 doors, and I can't be, wasting that wrap on some things that I don't really need at the moment. So again guys, as I said, it sucks I don't have that much wrap to finish the whole car, but hopefully this design comes out pretty dope and hopefully it comes out cool. If you guys have any ideas, let me know down in the comment section down below. Again guys, as always, like it up, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, comment down below or DM me at my Instagram at @ADTubi. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you until next time.